Hello, this is Jaid from GraphBit Dev Team. Today, I am going to demonstrate an agentic workflow using GraphBit. It is an action recommender based on users' input data. Now let's move on to the demo code now. Firstly, you can see I have imported all the necessary libraries along with the core classes for building the AI workflow from GraphBit. Next, you can see I have configured the OpenAPI key which I'll be using into the program. Moving on to the next, I define which model I will be using, which is, you can say, it's GPT-4o Mini. Now, as you can also see in the next, that when we will run the script, it will initially take an input from the user, and based on that the workflow will be executed. If we look into the workflow, we can see that we initially define the workflow, which is analyzing to action pipeline in here. The first agent we defined is that it's a data analyzer which will analyze the user's input data and produce a short summary. And another agent in this program is an action recommender which will analyze the data and will produce three specific action recommendations. Based on the analysis, it will provide three specific actionable recommendations or the next steps. Later on, we will connect the two nodes which we commonly know as agents. We are connecting through GraphBit's workflow connect, and finally you can see how the workflow is executed. It's been executed through the GraphBit's executor execute. So let's run the program. So as you can see, it's prompted to enter the user's input data. So let's put it in. So you can see the prompt is: yesterday our product's website got 500 views, 60 signups and 7 purchases. Let's begin the workflow. So as you can see, the results we have got here. So initially we got an data analysis based on the initial users data, and later on some of the actions were recommended based on those analysis.